This video is about WorldDocs field tables and the type down feature. Now you'll see field tables in two places. You'll see them when it's time to save a document and you're filling out a profile form, and you will also see field tables during searches. We're going to start by taking a look at a save, which brings up the profile form. And if I click on the client button, which is just to the left of the blank field, it will bring up the field table. For those of you who like to use keyboard shortcuts, the F2 function key will do the same thing. Once the table is up, I can simply go to my keyboard and start typing in the name of the client, and the type down feature will locate the client name no matter which column is selected in the list. Now I mention that because in previous versions of WorldDocs it was important that the blue triangle be on the column that you are trying to search on. That's no longer the case with the enhanced type down feature. So I'm going to type in Retread America, RE, and you see that WorldDocs immediately finds Retread within the table. At this point I simply hit my enter key twice and it populates the field. These field tables will be available for all of the fields within your profile form. So if I go down to doc type, you see I also have a field table there. If this was a letter, I could start typing LET. It finds letter within the list, enter twice, populates the field. Now we're going to move over to the search form. So I'll cancel this, activate WorldDocs by clicking on File Open, click on my binoculars, and choose one of my search templates. Okay. Click on the Client Lookup button within the search form, and there you see a field table. Now there have been some recent enhancements to the way this tool works. You'll notice that there's a checkbox to the left of my client fields. This allows me to select multiple clients for the same search. First off, I'm going to look for documents where World Software is the client. I type in WORLD, it finds World Software within my list, which was down at the bottom of the field table, hit my enter key twice, and it populates the form with World. If I want to make multiple selections when I'm in the table, I would check off the box for World, and then I'll type in CALFI, C-A-L, another client, and check off that box. Then I will go up to the green check mark in the upper left hand corner, click on it. The two that are checked continue, and my search form is populated with both client names. That will conclude this video on field tables and the type down feature.